Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show the program structure of the C Sharp application. Like in the last video, I created the Hello World application. So now I'm going to show what is the structure of the C Sharp application. So you can see the first point is the using. What is the meaning of using here? The using statement like the I am writing using system means there are a lot of functions available in the system class, so we have to use it. Like the you can say here, when I hover the in the console, you can see it's under the class system, so you have to write here using system. We can like the add the multiple using based on our requirement. Next line is the namespace. So what is namespace? Namespace means like the we organizing the class in a grouping. Like the we suppose that I want to create the different namespace, and one space can be multiple classes. The grouping of classes together is like the namespace. It can be any name here. Our third is the line is the class hello world. In the C sharp, there is, this is the object oriented language. Then every program must have at least one class. So this is the class. In the later section, we'll show more details related to class and other ops concepts. But this is the class, and we can give here any name. Mostly we have should give the any meaningful name, right? This is the third line, like declaring the class. After the class, we have to open the curly bracket, and this is the close curly. This is the syntax of the writing the class. Then there is the main method. Main method means this is showing like the whenever this program runs, so which will call first. So this is the main method. Then I am writing just only the two lines here. You in the C sharp language, you can see here this is the statement. The first statement you can see here this one. This is the comment. So we can add the comment either this way, or we can double line, we can also add the comment. Then we have written the console dot write line, right? So this is the one of the statement, console dot write line. It means it will write the word hello world. And the next line is the console dot read key. Read key is the just a line, like we are telling the compiler don't close the window automatically. Whenever the button will press, then it will be closed. So this is the very basic structure of the this hello world program. Okay. Now I am going to show how we can compile and run the program. Okay. So you can say this is the menu, and in the menu, in the debug, and just either you can click F5, it will start debugging, or go to debug and click start debugging. Then debug will be started. If and it will debug all your lines, and if any issue will come, we are able to see here. Okay. And I want to run, then either we can go here, build and start debugging and run, or we directly click the run button here. Okay. So we can run from here also. So you can see here the hello world program is visible, and as I add the line console dot read key, that's why it's not closing automatically. When I am pressing a button, You can see here, press any key to close this window. I am just pressing, it will close the window. This is the very basic structure uh, of the C# programming language of the Hello World application. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.